Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026. Drones have come a long way, from beginner-friendly mini drones to professional drones with insane camera tech. Whether you want a drone for travel, photography, or just fun flying, I've tested these drones so you can decide which one is perfect for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Upgraded professional drones with camera for adults. This drone is packed with features: 4K HD camera, anti-shake 3-axis gimbal, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, payload release, tablet touchscreen controller, and a range of up to 5 miles. With 2 batteries, it can fly for 84 minutes. I was impressed with its stable flight even in windy conditions. The time-lapse and follow-me modes are great for filming moving subjects or scenic landscapes. The rainproof design is an added bonus for outdoor adventures. The tablet controller gives a nice large view for FPV, but beginners might take some time to get used to all the features. Pros: long 84-minute flight time, advanced obstacle avoidance, creative shooting modes. Cons: bulky for travel, slight learning curve for beginners. Number 2. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC 2. DJI Air 3 comes with dual primary cameras, 4K video, and 48 MP photos. Flight is extended with 3 batteries, and the video transmission reaches up to 20 kilometers. FAA remote ID compliance makes it legal in more areas. This drone is perfect for serious content creators. The dual cameras allow switching between wide and zoom effortlessly. I tried capturing landscapes and cityscapes. The clarity and color are fantastic. Even with the extended range, it feels safe and easy to control. Battery swapping is smooth, giving hours of flying without worrying about running out of juice. Pros: dual cameras for versatile shots, long transmission range, reliable DJI build. Cons: slightly harder for beginners. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro DJI RC 2. This drone is ultra lightweight, 249 grams, and portable. Features 4K camera, 34-minute flight, 20 kilometers transmission, and omnidirectional vision sensors. I loved flying this drone. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and beginner-friendly. The sensors make sure it avoids obstacles. Great for travel photography or city shots where space is tight. It's small but powerful. I took it hiking and it captured stunning aerial footage without feeling heavy. Pros: portable and FAA exempt, beginner-friendly, high-quality 4K footage. Cons: shorter flight time than professional drones, fewer advanced features. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. Potensic Atom 2 offers 4K video, 8K photos, 3-axis gimbal, AI tracking, vertical shooting, AI night shots, and a 96-minute flight with Fly More combo. This drone is perfect for photography enthusiasts. AI night shots and vertical shooting are amazing for social media content. The long battery life lets you enjoy uninterrupted flying sessions. I tested AI tracking during a jogging session and it followed smoothly without losing focus. Pros: AI tracking and night shots, lightweight, long 96-minute flight. Cons: requires practice for advanced features. Pricey for casual users. Number 5. Bwine F7 Mini 4K video, 8K photo drone. Bwine F7 Mini is lightweight, FAA exempt, with 3-axis gimbal, 96-minute flight, and smart AI features like GPS return, waypoint, orbit fly, and follow mode. This is the perfect beginner-friendly drone. AI-assisted flight modes make learning easy, and the 8K photo mode delivers surprisingly detailed images. It's compact, easy to carry, and a great starting drone for hobbyists. Pros: AI-assisted flight, long flight time, lightweight. Cons: limited professional controls, slightly cheaper build quality. Alright guys, that wraps up our top 5 best drones of 2026. Whether you're looking for professional level cameras, long flight times, or beginner-friendly drones, there's something on this list for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech review. Also, drop a comment below and let me know, which drone would you choose and why? I love reading your thoughts and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.